Alright, so this is Dell Latitude 5440 and today we're going to install Windows 11 in it. First things, we need to create one bootable Windows 11 thumb drive, which already created. It's simple to do. If you don't know how to create one, you can check the video link would be in the description. So we're going to connect it into the USB port, and then we're going to connect our charging cable because we don't want to see any sort of interruption. So this one takes Type-C. And now we're going to press the power button, which is right here. At the same time, we're going to press F2 to get into BIOS. Keep pressing it. As you can see, it says. Alright, so this is the actual BIOS page. Now, from left-hand side, we can change the menu, and whatever comes on the right-hand side, this is the actual description of the left selected highlighted option. For example, if you click on overview, you can see everything, whatever shows in here. This is the overview section. And if you do boot configuration, which is here, if you click, it's going to show you the boot sequence. Okay, so now we need to give it a check if there is any secure boot. As you can see, the secure boot is on. Yeah, that's the first thing. Second one, which is automatically on, as you can see, and it says secure boot option is enabled. Then we need to go down and check if there is anything else. Okay, and also secure boot mode is deployed mode, which is fine. I don't know if you can see. Okay, let's make it a little bigger. Okay, so we're going to go to integrated devices by clicking here, and we're going to double check here what kind of settings are there. Alright, so nothing is here. Then we're gonna get into security to check. By the way, TPM is enabled here, and secure boot already we changed it from boot sequence. Okay, this is the things. Now there is another one more settings that we need to check. Go to the search bar and type the keyword VMD. You see, click here, make sure you put it on AHCI NVMe. Okay, make sure you do that. Okay, now we're going to save everything and exit it. Exit, apply the changes, as you can see here at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to exit it. While we exit, we're going to keep pressing F2 to get into temporary boot option. Okay, now from here we're going to go down to USB storage device, which is that one. We're going to hit enter and it's going to load up, I believe. Alright, so from here we're going to change into United Kingdom, my case. Hit enter, next, accept the terms and condition, next again. And now, as you can see here, these are the partitions. I don't need none of them because I don't have any important data, but if you do have any, please do not play with it. Before, make sure you back up your data somewhere safe, and then you can do. I can see there is single drive but many partitions, so I'm going to delete all of them. Okay, and I'm going to keep single partition, as you can see here, and I'm going to hit next, and now it's going to copy everything. All right, so finally it's done. We might need to update all the drivers. First, we need to connect into internet, either the Wi-Fi or wired connection, and then you need to go for check updates. Make sure you update it, otherwise you'd have issue with the drivers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.